guys, a very warm welcome. I am Hina Bhimani. You guys are watching me live on your favorite Goki app, on your favorite show, the Hina Bhimani Wellness Show. I'm so sorry guys for this trouble. But our entire area has been facing with this problem, जिसकी वजह से इंटरनेट जो है सही नहीं चल रहा. I think the coronavirus has also gotten into the digital thing, so हमारा phone calls भी नहीं लग रहे. The internet is not working. It's crazy. It's really crazy. Dada is here. Good afternoon, Dada. Thank you so much for tuning in. Jai Singh is here. Namaste. Thank you so much. Trivia Tuesday. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन है. हम बच्चों की क्या बात करें, हम अपने आप को कैसे एंटरटेन रखें, वो भी जानने की कोशिश करते हैं. That not reading all those false news, false messages, and just following the WHO guidelines and having that faith in your own health and अपने हेल्थ का ख्याल रखें. और हेल्थ अगर आपकी अच्छी रही तो फिर जो है कोरोना भी आपको छू नहीं पाएगा. सो what we have understood is the one thing for sure that's going to help you is your strong immune system. If your immunity is strong, nothing at all can touch you. Thank you so much, Jai Singh. That's really very kind of you. Thank you so much. It's Trivia Tuesday. I'm walking and listening to your class. That's great. Transformational Tuesday, Trivia Tuesday. Yes, absolutely. तो ये Tuesday है. तो ऐसे ही जैसे कि I always request you all to keep walking and to keep listening to my session so that दोनों काम आपको हो जाए, चलने का भी काम हो जाए और एक्सरसाइज का भी काम हो जाए. Okay. Very beautiful topic for awareness for children too about quarantine. Absolutely. So, I would suggest that we should also make kids understand what this quarantine is. Okay, quarantine exactly क्या है, ये भी हमको बच्चों को समझाने की जरूरत है. So, I will be talking about that also, guys. So, keep watching Goki and do not forget to subscribe to my session. Also, do not forget to have a look at the other special classes which are going in the month of March. We have Arushi doing healthy recipes. We have Shweta doing belly dancing, Zumba dancing, and we have Sana doing belly dancing. तो उनके sessions को जाकर जरूर से देखिए. Likewise, we have amazing coaches doing great sessions for us. We have Alista teaching us dance. So we have Alia doing dance, physical fitness. So we have Tufail, we have Parvez, Tufail and Azhar Parvez. All of them doing physical fitness. We have Kajal talking about nutrition. We also have sessions taken on yoga by Ronak, Mishta, Bhumika, Sheetal and myself. So you can see me tomorrow morning live at 7. Contagious happiness equilibrium. Absolutely. Crazy knowledge you have about acronyms, Jai Bhai. Yes, absolutely. So Jai Singh is like too good. It's the right time to up our chi. ची इज कंटेजियस हैप्पीनेस इक्विलिब्रियम. ऑल्सो ची को जो है चाइनीज लैंग्वेज में जो है एनर्जी कहते हैं. ओके, तो वो एनर्जी भी है. ओके, की भी कहते हैं, ची भी कहते हैं. सो यस, इट्स द टाइम टू बूस्ट आवर इम्यूनिटी एंड टू इंक्रीज आवर एनर्जी लेवल्स. ओके, अब बच्चों को कैसे हम एंटरटेन रखें. अगर आपके घर में बच्चे हैं एंड यू आर वरिड हाउ टू कीप योर किड्स बिजी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लेट्स मेक योर किड्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दिस कोरोना वायरस इज. कोरोना वायरस क्या है वो बच्चों को समझाने की जरूरत है. तो बच्चों को ये जरूर से समझाया कि ये वायरस किस तरीके से फैला है, कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट हुआ है एंड व्हाट प्रिकॉशंस ऑल ऑफ अस नीड टू टेक. वो सब हम बात करेंगे बच्चों के साथ. वी विल ऑल्सो टीच देम दैट व्हाट दिस क्वारंटाइन एग्जैक्टली इज. क्वारंटाइन क्या है वो भी हमको बताने की जरूरत है सो दैट किड्स नो. So kids should know these words because these words will be constantly used around. So they shouldn't feel like ये क्या बोल रही है अब मम्मी या ये मेरे घर में लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं. So these terminologies should be clearly explained to the child what this quarantine is, what are the side effects, what are the problems related to coronavirus, how it is so infectious, how we have to take care, what all precautions we need to take, what do we need when we are sneezing, do we shake hands, do we do namaste, everything. I think you should sit and speak to your child, which will really help. I request even you should start something challenging methods like other coaches too, Hinu Didi. Yes, I'm also going to be starting some challenges very soon. बैठे बैठे घर में करिए कुछ ऐसा काम, शरीर रहे अजाइल और स्वस्थ करे. आपको प्रणाम. क्या बात है, दिस इज सो गुड. यार आप तो कमाल का लिखते हैं जय सिंह, आप मुझे भेजते भी रहते हैं सारे मैसेजेस, दिस इज सो कूल, थैंक यू। Blissful blue today, very soothing for the eyes. Yes, I love blue colors, blues and whites, and these are so soothing, right? Okay. So बच्चों को बिजी रखने के लिए सबसे पहले, जैसे मैंने कहा, बिजी रखने के पहले हम किस सिचुएशन में है वो उनको समझाना जरूरी है. Like I said, that they should know that we are going through this pandemic. कोरोना वायरस है, उससे क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं बच्चों में, बड़ों में क्या होते हैं, और इन जनरल हमको क्या हाइजीन के, सेफ्टी और हाइजीन के बारे में बताना है. उनको हमको ये भी बताना है WHO के बारे में. वी ऑलवेज थिंक दैट बच्चों को समझ में नहीं आएगा, बट बच्चों को बहुत ज़्यादा समझ में आता है. दे विल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, ओके, इवन आफ्टर अ फ्यू मंथ्स और ईयर्स, दे मे देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट दे मे रिमेंबर एंड दे मे टेल यू. तो ये भी चांसेस हो जाते हैं कि बच्चों को याद रहेगा और वो बोल भी सकते हैं. Blue is my favorite color and also blue sapphire. Yes, blue. So yes, blue is the color of water. Blue is the color of cooling down your body. So especially in this heat, it's become so hot. 2 दिन पहले तक इतना गर्म था and suddenly it's become hot. So we don't know how the weather is going, where the weather is going, because suddenly it's so cold, suddenly it becomes so hot. So yes, blue color is something which will cool your body. So it's very good for cooling down your body. Now, let's start talking about how to keep kids entertained during quarantine. क्वारंटाइन में बच्चों को एंटरटेन कैसे रखें. क्वारंटाइन में स्पेशली बच्चों को घर की एक्टिविटीज में इन्वॉल्व करें. लोग दे गेट बोर्ड जस्ट प्लेइंग विथ द टॉयज. यू कैन हेल्प देम, यू कैन मेक देम पार्टिसिपेट इन योर एक्टिविटीज. लाइक झाड़ू मारना है घर पे, तो यू कैन गिव देम वन रूम कि ये रूम में से आपको झाड़ू मारना है. तो दे विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू विथ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. आई हैव रियलाइज्ड, लाइक दे गेट बोर्ड. थोड़ी देर टॉय से खेलेंगे, थोड़ी देर वो खेलेंगे, कलरिंग ड्राइंग करेंगे, बट दे वांट टू कीप डूइंग डिफरेंट थिंग्स. ओके, उनको अलग अलग चीजें करने का मन करता है. सो यू कैन एंगेज देम इन क्लीनिंग द रूम, स्वीपिंग द रूम. देन उनको आप एक छोटा सा बकेट वाटर और कपड़ा भी डाल दीजिए जिससे वो क्लीन कर सके रूम. उसमें उनको बताइए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है सैनिटाइजेशन का. तो वो उसके अंदर डेटॉल डाल के भी आप उनको बता सकते हैं कैसे क्लीन कर सकते हैं. सो डेटॉल डाल के क्लीनिंग भी उनको आप बता सकते हैं. दैट दिस विल हेल्प टू सैनिटाइज द रूम. इससे रूम सैनिटाइज अच्छे से होगा और इससे जो है जर्म्स भी जो है वो निकलेंगे और इट इज सेफ. ओके, सो ये भी हमको ख्याल रखना है. Sky is naturally blue. Yes, blue is associated with mystery as well. Shri Krishna is also blue in color, just like sea and the sky. Yes, you are right. Shri Krishna का भी color blue है. So the sky is blue, the water is blue, Krishna ji is blue. So blue is actually a very nice color. In fact, I would say all colors are nice, because if you see Vibgyor, okay, that's the color of rainbow. इतने सारे colors है. So all colors have different energies and all colors have different effect on your body. Sometimes you naturally feel like wearing a particular color because that time your body needs that color, so you feel like wearing that color. Like sometimes you feel like just wearing white because you want to feel more peaceful. You want to feel more relaxed. Sometimes you want to feel. Sometimes you feel like wearing a red. Red is more energizing. So maybe that time you feel the need of having that energy. So आप red color पहनते हैं. So color, actually the choice of your color determines the state of your mind also. What your mind wants, what your body wants. Okay, तो तब भी जो है जो हमारा शरीर जो कलर मांगता है हमको वो कलर देना चाहिए. Kids can do kitchen work, keeping utensils, play board games with them, chess, carom, and also cutting vegetables. Teach them how to wash clothes, vehicles, plant water. Yes. So yes, you are right. Kids can do so much. So you can involve them. Like I said, आप उनको एक रूम दे दीजिए, उनको बोल दीजिए कि ये रूम को आपको स्वीपिंग करनी है. उनको ऑफ कोर्स टेक्निक बताइए. व्हाट्स द राइट टेक्निक ऑफ स्वीपिंग द फ्लोर, किस तरीके से कचरा उठाना है. एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू टीच देम, एंड देन यू गिव देम द वर्क ऑफ क्लीनिंग दैट रूम. Then you can give them the work of sweeping. उसको कैसे पोछा कैसे मारना है गिले कपड़े का. You put sanitizer, you put Dettol, you put antiseptic liquid in that, and then you show them how to clean it. So that's how they can help you to clean your room also, and they will become more aware. They will start learning. This is like the right time where they have time to be at home. Otherwise the kids are either running out or going to school or classes, and they're busy that way. Now they have the time to be at home, so they can start doing these things which you've always wanted your child to learn. जैसे क्लीनिंग सारी चीजें बता दीजिए. वॉशिंग भी बहुत ही सिंपल है. आई विल गिव यू ऑल द ट्रिक ऑफ हाउ टू टीच किड्स हाउ टू वॉश. ओके, सो टेक 2 मीडियम वेसल, या तो आप पानी का जग रहता है बड़ा वाला, वो ले लीजिए, या स्टील का, यू टेक दैट 2 वेसल्स. एक वेसल में जो है आप गीला आप सिर्फ पानी रखेंगे. एक वेसल में जो है आप थोड़ा सा, वेरी लिटिल, लाइक वी आर गोइंग टू टीच देम हाउ टू वॉश अ नैपकिन. बेसिक नैपकिन कैसे वॉश करते हैं वो हम उनको सिखाएंगे. सो पुट लिटिल डिटर्जेंट, वेरी लिटिल, सो दैट वो आसानी से निकल पाए, वरना वो निकलेगा नहीं. इट्स नॉट ईजी फॉर दैट सोप टू कम. इफ यू पुट टू मच सोप, वो पानी ज्यादा लगेगा, सोप निकलेगा नहीं. सो पुट वेरी लिटिल डिटर्जेंट. सो फर्स्ट यू विल take the napkin, soak it in soap and that detergent water. You rub it. रब करने के बाद में आप उसको जो है, जो क्लीन वाटर है उसमें जो है आप डाल के उसको रिंस करना सिखाया. या तो इफ यू हैव टैप वाटर से उसको क्लीन करके, ब्रश करके क्लीन करना सिखाया. And then final rinsing can be done in that clean water. So this is how you can teach. You don't have to give them big clothes. It won't get messy if you give them like small. And kids, believe me, love washing clothes. That's something that they really enjoy a lot. So ये जो है आप अपने बच्चों को सिखा सकते हो how to wash clothes. Also they love washing utensils. अगर आप उनको काम दे दी utensils wash करने का, they will really like to rub it and clean it. So utensils साफ करने का भी काम आप अपने बच्चों को दे सकते हो. Very interesting work and they actually will like it. बिल्कुल कर दे उनको माफ. 1.4K done. Yes, thank you so much Jay, and thank you so much Dada. Give them few articles to read and inculcate habit of referring to the dictionary. Yes. But that is also one very good thing. I remember as a child, I used to read newspapers. मैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ती थी और उसमें से words ढूंढती थी. I used to underline those words and then I used to go back and search those words in the dictionary. That really helps you to enhance your vocabulary. आपकी vocabulary भी जो है improve होती है और आपका knowledge जो है, कि आपका knowledge भी जो है बढ़ता है. तो vocabulary improve होती है, knowledge बढ़ता है और इससे जो है उनको फायदा ही होगा. देयर इंटरेस्ट लेवल विल इम्प्रूव. दे आर लर्निंग ऑल्सो, दे आर नॉट वेस्टिंग टाइम, दे आर लर्निंग, दे आर searching, they're doing their search, they're reading, so it's helping them to read also, and then they can easily memorize. Okay, so article reading, newspaper reading, simple, very simple, depending on their age. So if a child is 6-year-old and when the child is just learning how to read a few words, please don't give them newspaper because they won't be able to read, because that will be too overwhelming. इतना सारा देख के वो डर जाएंगे. So give them simple small books. Okay, very small books come with 1 or 2 words or 1 or 2 lines. So things like that. Small books with all these pointers is something they can start reading, which will help them to improve their reading capacity. Read the subtitles in English movies and get new words too. Yes, reading the subtitles also. Yes, so if they're watching any cartoon movies or if they're watching any any movie of their choice, तो वो जो है उनको उसमें से काफी knowledge मिल सकता है. On those subtitles से उनको काफी सारे अच्छे words मिल सकते हैं. If they find 30 words in a meaning, give them a small prize. Yes, that's also a very nice way is to acknowledge them. Acknowledging them will really boost their confidence and will really so yes, these are so many ways. Teach them all 50-60 songs with dance. Yes, that is also really nice because आजकल के songs ऐसे हैं that ऐसे songs में sometimes you feel whether your kids should be saying those words. So पुराने songs जो थे they had more beautiful meaning. So you are absolutely right. Okay, so guys, I'm keeping this session open. Please come up with suggestions. Would really appreciate that because these suggestions, they're like very interesting. So Jay Singh, I really appreciate this suggestion. Play musical chair. They love playing musical chair. So I remember I had a party for my child and we made them play musical chair and they loved it so much. So yes, that is also very, very good. So kids will love playing musical chairs. So guys, I wanted to show you one more thing that I have got. Okay, so now because of the season you will get chikus. So I've got these desi chikus. ये झाड़ पे से गिर गया है and that's how it has this ये दब गया. So many chikus I have. These are all organic chikus which are fallen from the tree. ये वो चीकू को प्लग करने में नहीं आता है. That's why these chikus are so much in demand. And one more thing I wanted to show you. So guys, these kind of chikus where you see someone selling chikus like that, please take it. And one more thing is yesterday I was cutting a chiku and I saw if you don't cut it properly and you eat it directly without opening it, you may end up eating too many germs in that. Worms थे छोटे छोटे white color के. So please cut a fruit, especially चीकू मीठा fruit है तो उसको cut करके अंदर से please check करके खाना है. This is something which I want to tell you because everybody is falling sick, so you have to be very careful before you put anything in your mouth. Even टमाटर में भी जो है कीड़े निकल रहे हैं. Okay, so cut tomato, please check and then you can eat, especially if you're eating it. Okay, please cut it. Some things which are not in your control, if you're going to a restaurant you cannot see what they're putting, but if it's in your control, please cut and see if it's clean or if it has worms. तो चीकू में स्पेशली ऐसे वर्म्स निकलते हैं, टमेटोज में निकलते हैं, तो प्लीज बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो वॉट आई वॉन्टेड टू शो यू ऑल. दिस इज माई फेवरेट. देख के मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. if you remember, ये स्कूल की अगर आपको याद दिलाता है, like स्कूल में, like I remember as a child, हम लोग स्कूल से निकलते थे और वो बाहर एक अंकल ये कट करके बेचते थे. इसमें सॉल्ट और रेड चिली पाउडर ऐसा स्प्रे करके वो बेचते थे एंड वी यूज्ड टू लव इट. सो दिस इज लोडेड विथ विटामिन सी. विटामिन सी से लोडेड है. वेरी वेरी गुड फॉर बूस्टिंग योर इम्यूनिटी एंड इट इज अमेजिंग फॉर योर स्किन, फॉर योर आईज एंड स्पेशली अभी जो कोविड-19 का प्रॉब्लम है, एवरीबडी इज फॉलिंग सिक. दिस विल रियली हेल्प यू टू बूस्ट योर इम्यूनिटी. इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट करना शुड बी योर फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. In everything that you eat and everything you put in your mouth, your immunity should be your first duty towards your own self. किस तरीके से मैं अपनी immunity को बढ़ा सकूं is what you have to try and do. And I'm seeing 262 people watching me live and 3K hearts already. That's great. Thank you so much. Appreciate so much of love that you're giving me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. So this is star fruit. Very 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 good. Okay, तो मैं आज दो स्टार फ्रूट लेकर आई हूँ. एक थोड़ा सा कच्चा ही है, ये थोड़ा ज्यादा पका हुआ है एंड आई कांट वेट टू हैव दिस. गाइज, इसके साथ में आप एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग डिटॉक्स वाटर बना सकते हैं. कट स्लाइसेस ऑफ स्टार एनिस. ये स्टार एनिस नहीं है, सॉरी, ये स्टार फ्रूट है. स्टार फ्रूट के स्लाइसेस कट करेंगे. इसमें इसको हम 1-1.5 लीटर जितना पानी का ये लेंगे, जग लेंगे, उसमें पानी डाल देंगे. देन यू वॉश, एवरीथिंग शुड बी वॉश थॉरली. देन स्लाइस इट एंड पुट इट इन दैट वाटर. पुट 2 pinches ऑफ हिमालयन पिंक सॉल्ट विच इज वेरी वेरी गुड फॉर डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन. 2 pinches ऑफ हिमालयन पिंक सॉल्ट उसमें डाल दिए. उसमें सब्जा या चिया सीड्स भी डाल सकते हैं. सो यू कैन पुट सब्जा और यू कैन पुट चिया सीड्स. के बोथ आर रिच इन omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids which are good for your body. Then you put a washed handful of mint leaves. Okay, you put slice of ginger. You put slice of lemon and infuse this in water for 30 to 40 minutes and then keep sipping on this water. So refreshing and so filling. It's so filling that you will not keep feeling hungry. A lot of people come to me and they tell me that they keep feeling hungry all the time. This, excuse me guys. So this will really this water, the detox water that I've told you, will really keep you hydrated, will really keep you full. And now when you're making this water, this is loaded with so much of nutrition. Okay, so इतना सारा nutrition है इसमें, vitamins है, vitamins है, minerals है, so you will keep feeling full. We are all made of stardust. Yes, we are all made of stardust. So guys, I have also, guys, it's so surprising, I wanted to tell you all. फेस मास्क जो है मिल रहे हैं नाउ. पीपल आर स्ट्रगलिंग टू गेट मास्क. फेस मास्क भी बहुत ही मिल रहे हैं मार्केट में. जस्ट दैट दे आर सेलिंग लूज, ऐसे लूज बिक रहे हैं. सो प्लीज सी टू इट दैट इट्स प्रॉपरली सील्ड. अच्छा, otherwise people are recycling these face masks. So how will you ensure that the quality is good? You can ensure the quality is good if you see it's packaged well, okay? Or the ones that they are selling openly, ऐसे खुला हुआ jar, they're selling it, you cannot trust that. Ashwin Mewade, namaste, thank you so much for tuning in. So guys, we are discussing about how to keep kids entertained during a quarantine, make them like Jay said, they can dance and they can learn some steps on old songs. Okay, you can give them chopping activity. Okay, कोई भी fruit ले लीजिए या vegetable ले लीजिए. Please don't give a sharp knife. Okay, जो plastic की knife आती है या तो जो steel की knife आती है, which is without that, it's not sharp, वो बहुत ज़्यादा sharp नहीं है, blunt है. You teach them how to cut vegetables into pieces. And you can teach them how to wash it, how to clean it. गर्म पानी में salt डाल के उसको कैसे wash करते हैं वो सब दिखाइए. So that way they are learning also and they are having fun. These activities you can make them do it. And then you can make them do drawing, you can make them do painting. अलग अलग activities कराते रहोगे तो the child will be busy, the child will be entertained. Whereas the child, sitting at home, the child can get bored because you cannot be sending them down also, because you never know. So many kids are playing, and if one of the child is infected, a person can pass it on. The child can pass it on to the other. So you don't want to take any risk. So risk ना ले, immunity पर ख्याल रखिए. बच्चों को हल्दी, हनी, जिंजर, काला मिरी, ब्लैक पेपर पाउडर ये रेगुलरली देते रहे. इससे जो है उनकी इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग होगी और उनकी हेल्थ भी जो है अच्छी रहेगी और वो बीमार नहीं होंगे. ओके, not only this problem is there, okay, corona, but people are falling sick because of flu, people are falling sick because of change in the weather, people are falling sick because they are tired also. So corona is not the only reason why people are getting sick, but it has created that fear. Okay, वो fear आ गया है, तो fear को दूर रखने के लिए you have to keep yourself, you keep your mind relaxed. And you have to ensure that you eat only from home. You do not eat out, ताकि कोई भी infection हमारे शरीर में ना आए. So how do we keep our kids entertained? Make them do household activities. Teach them how to fold clothes. They enjoy, folding clothes. आप उनको सिखा सकते हैं fold clothes कैसे fold करना है. You can just teach them how to fold a napkin. एक napkin कैसे fold करना है वो आप उनको सिखा सकते हैं. Just teach them basics, you open it, you close it like this, two fold, and the third fold, and your thing is done. So things like that, basic things, you can teach them. And then you can, also teach them some little bit of gardening. Gardening भी आप उनको सिखा सकते हैं. If you get little mud, अगर आपको कहीं से mud मिलता है, आपके पास mud पड़ा हुआ है, तो उसको कैसे वो seed डालेंगे, उसको कैसे dig करेंगे, पानी पिलाएंगे. So these activities, your child can do, which will really, make a lot of difference. बहुत ही ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ेगा. The child will be busy and the child will learn a lot of things rather than just getting bored and sitting with the phone and, getting irritated. So this will really help them. Also, you can take out different worksheets online. Worksheets online बहुत मिलती है. So, one day you can pick up drawing where you can teach them different types of drawing. ओके, ड्राइंग अलग अलग कैसे करना है वो हम सिखा सकते हैं. एक क्लास में जो है हम बच्चों को थोड़ा बहुत योगा के पोस्चर्स भी सिखा सकते हैं. बेसिक पोस्चर्स लाइक कैट पोज, कैट स्ट्रेच, डाउनवर्ड डॉग, सूर्य नमस्कार, सो दैट दे ऑल्सो नो दैट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन इट टू देम दैट इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप देयर बॉडी फिट. If the body is fit, if the immunity is good, no infection can touch you. So all these things need to be told to the kids at a very early age so that they grow up with this mentality, so that it doesn't become difficult for them to suddenly bring that transformation. Sudden transformation करना मुश्किल हो जाता है बच्चों के लिए. तो आप धीरे धीरे करके उनको सिखा सकते हैं. वर्कशीट्स, ओके, मैथ्स के वर्कशीट्स है, अल्फाबेट्स है, पोइट्रीज के है, मैचिंग द कॉलम है, काफी सारा, so many worksheets available online. You can just take out printouts of those worksheets and you can make your child do it beautifully. The child will learn and the child will also become very very I would say fluent in the language भी fluent होगी अगर वो reading करेंगे, books पढ़ेंगे, और ये सारी चीजें आपने उनको organize करके दी तो it will make a lot of difference. साथ में बैठे के 10 सेकेंड गेम ऑफ मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ भस्त्रिका कंप्लीटेड. साथ में बैठ के टेस्ट द सेकेंड गेम. यस यस, यू आर कमिंग अप विथ सम क्रेजी अमेजिंग आइडियाज जय. that can also be done. They can do कितने अपने भस्त्रिका के, you know, I make the kids do जल नेति करते हैं. They put the neti pot in the nose, keep the mouth open and let the water, you know, flow from the other side of the nostril, which will really help to cleanse, keep, you know, hygiene के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. dust particles जो उड़ रहे हैं उसके लिए अच्छा है. To clear the nasal passage, so you know at least bacterial infection जो है हमको ना हो. Okay, this viral infection is not in our control. What we can do is we can ensure that हमारी immunity अच्छी हो, ताकि you know nothing can you know shake us. Lion dance game. Lion roar breathing exercise in 1 minute is bedsheet cave. 1 minute in bedsheet cave. Yes, lion roar exercise भी आप करवा सकते हो. The lion breaths, breathe in, breathe out, tongue out, stick your tongue out. There are such amazing exercises. You can definitely include these exercises in a playful way. Like now, if you ask your child to run, चलो 10 round करके आओ, your child may not like it, but if you run with your child, the child will, you know, try to compete you, and उसकी speed भी improve होगी. So yes, keep your child busy in all these natural things. You don't have to have you know a specialized play specialized play area की जरूरत नहीं है. If you know they have all these things in their you know at home, and you teach them, the child will be busy and you will also be able to do your own work. Target practice with different types of healthy snacks using a sorry guys, I have some itchiness in my throat. Yes, that is also nice. Target practice. So you throw the ring, आप ring throw कर सकते हैं, and you know the child can you know throw the ring on the healthy food. कौन सा खाना healthy है उस पे अगर ring गई तो the child gets extra points. Yes, that's also a very very good idea. Bowling using readily available bottles and Costco ball. Yes, अब ball के साथ में जो भी है आपके पास, जो भी bottles है, वो bottles को आप line में रख के आप ये जो है bowling भी खेल सकते हो. Amazing Jessing, these ideas are so priceless and wonderful. Learn a new language at the early age. Yes, I feel that is also important. Like you can choose Spanish, you can choose French, you can choose any language other than the basic English, Hindi and Marathi language जो हमारे country में हो रही है. ये language हम ना चाहते, you know, even if you don't you know give it time, you will learn how to talk in English, you will learn how to talk in Hindi, you will learn how to talk in Hindi. But introducing new languages will really help them to improve their memory power, और उनको learning के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा. 6.1k hearts done, and how? Yes, 6.5 already. Really appreciate all your love and very sorry about today. आज हमारा सेशन थोड़ा सा डिले स्टार्ट हुआ, नेटवर्क इश्यूज था, बट आई प्रॉमिस वी विल ट्राई एंड यू नो एनी हाउ स्टार्ट ऑन टाइम. ओके, so we're discussing about how to keep our kids entertained. You know, please don't let them just sit in front of the TV or on the couch and play the you know games on the phone. Don't let the child do that. Include your child, you know, let your child participate in every activity that you do. If you're in the kitchen, you know, you can do some basic activities like, you know, please chop the vegetable or just clean the coriander and give me. So बच्चों को busy रखना जरूरी है, and in a right way. You know, you can teach them the importance of eating healthy. You can, you know, ensure that your child is having proper nutrition, because you have more time with your child. Okay, तो आप बच्चों के nutrition का भी ख्याल रखिए. बादाम है, फ्रूट्स है, वेजिटेबल्स है, ये सारी चीजें बच्चों के डाइट में जरूर से इंक्लूड करें. टीच देम अ न्यू सिंपल mantra by breathing it down into small intestine, into small portions and dance moves. Teach them a new single mantra by breathing it down to small portion and dance moves. Yes, absolutely. Teach them sunset mantras for and shlokas, bhajans and upanishads. Yes, religious education भी देने के लिए this is the best time. Make a small obstacle course and make them run. Many different obstacles can be added into the fun course. Yes, so toe touching है, you run and you try to touch the जो भी hurdle है उसको आप टच करके भागने की कोशिश कर सकते हो. So you can learn so much and you can improve so much. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you had a good time. I really had great time. You guys have taken me to almost 7k hearts and I'm really very, very grateful from the bottom of my heart. Keep watching Goki. Do not forget to subscribe to my session. And very sorry about today. We started late, but tomorrow onwards we will start on time, hopefully. So guys, teach them standard Sanskrit methods and shlokas. Yeah, make a small obstacle course and make them run half. Make them turn on. Okay. Yes, that's nice. Obstacle game hai wo, depending on the space. If you don't have so much space in the house, then you can do the other activities. Don't actually need to have so much of space. So people who've been complaining space ka issue hai, please don't complain because you can definitely do it together. Yes, may the force be with them and you and with everyone around, guys. Really. Take care of yourself. Everybody take care of yourself.